The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation like never before, driven by three key forces that are set to change the way we think about cars and driving. The first force is mass connectivity. Cars are no longer just a mode of transportation, but also an extension of our digital lives. This means that cars will become even more connected, and we will be able to interact with them in new and innovative ways. The second force is deep automation. Automation is already transforming the way cars are made, with robots playing an increasingly important role in the manufacturing process. In the near future, we can expect to see self-driving cars becoming more prevalent, and this will revolutionize the way we travel. The third force is the introduction of innovative platforms. Cars are no longer just a personal mode of transportation, but also a shared resource that can be used by many people. We can expect to see new and innovative platform-based models emerging, such as driverless delivery vans and car-sharing services that are fully integrated with our digital lives. These three driving forces, mass connectivity, deep automation, and innovative platforms, are set to transform the automotive industry and change the way we think about cars forever. The impact of these three driving forces on the automotive industry will require companies to adapt to stay competitive. Companies that can anticipate and respond to these changes will have an advantage in the market. To stay relevant, firstly, companies will need to invest in new technology to enable connectivity and automation in their vehicles. They need to consider how they can integrate their vehicles with existing digital platforms and services to provide customers with a seamless experience. Secondly, companies will need to adapt to new business models and revenue streams. For example, car-sharing services and subscription-based features are becoming increasingly popular, and companies that can offer these services will be well-positioned to meet changing consumer demands. These driving forces are also likely to have a significant impact on automotive sales channels. As cars become more connected and autonomous, consumers may prioritize features such as software and technology over traditional performance and design factors. This could lead to changes in the types of vehicles that are popular and could result in a shift towards electric and autonomous vehicles. As car-sharing and subscription-based models become more prevalent, the traditional dealership model may become less important. Companies may need to adapt their sales strategies such as online sales and direct-to-consumer models. Platforms such as ride-hailing services and car-sharing platforms may offer new opportunities for car manufacturers and dealers to reach consumers in different ways, such as through partnerships or integration with these services. As these technologies become more prevalent in the automotive industry, they may raise new ethical concerns and require us to rethink our social norms and values. One ethical implication is the potential for increased data collection and surveillance. It will be important to develop ethical frameworks and regulations to protect consumer privacy and ensure that data is used responsibly. The other implication would be the potential for increased inequality. As the automotive industry becomes more reliant on technology, there is a risk that certain groups may be left behind. Social implications are also significant. Connected and autonomous vehicles have the potential to reshape our cities and urban environments, leading to changes in public transportation and infrastructure. The way we interact with each other and our environment would change. In conclusion, change will be the only constant in this ever-changing transportation landscape.